Okay, so this is Miss Tilbury's infamous Pillow Talk shade for this one and done eye thingy. And as you can see, mine's scratched off here. I've had this for years. Let's see, let's open it up here. It's basically just a pot of semi-solid, semi-wet glitter. I don't know, what would you call this? Eyeshadow. Yeah, that's it. My nails are kind of matching the vibe here. But what I like about this particular product is that it's very nice quality. So by that I mean, glitter products do tend to get all over your face, but this one it still gets on your face, I'll admit it, but in a more controlled manner. And the parts that you do properly affix to your eye do stay there all day. If you look at the top here, it looks very opaque and glittery, but of course when you put it on your own skin, it is a little more translucent than this, so I usually put a shade underneath to put the base color, and then this just gives it a glittery effect. So what I did today is I'm going out for the evening, so I just shoved this all over my whole eyelid, which probably you shouldn't do. Just the lid part is probably enough, but I went a bit overboard here to show you. It does give a very soft, natural glow, not too tacky looking for someone in my age group, which is definitely upper 50s. Despite my age, I do like glitters, and when I find a product that performs better than the other stuff, I find it worth investing in. Okay, and this is what it looks like directly on skin. I've really loaded it up there. You can shear it out to make it softer. I don't think it looks that dark, and that orangey actually on my skin. I guess my hands are a little pinky. It's in contrast. And of course, this container might be different on Amazon. I bought this here in Japan. Packaging is always different. It also changes year by year. I've had this for many years. It's pretty, isn't it? So I would buy this again and recommend.